This is my fall, winter, holiday cocktail of 2020. I've been making this cocktail for the last few months, and I will say that I've made a few of them. It's called the Smoky Pomegranate. So basically, it's a tequila cocktail, Rachel, with pomegranate juice and pomegranate molasses, and it has a little splash of Mezcal to give it that smoky flavor as well.
Right.
So I'm going to take you through it. We have a cocktail shaker with lots of ice in it, and I'm using some tequila. This is Reposado. So we're going to add a little bit of that. We're going to add some orange liqueur as well. So almost like you're making a margarita so far. And then a little bit of the Mezcal, which is sort of the smoky version of tequila. It's a good way to describe it. And Mezcal has really become very, very popular lately. And then some pomegranate juice, which is not tart. Which is not too sweet. It has a little sweetness, but it's got obviously a tartness as well. And then what I do is if you can find a little pomegranate molasses, which really is just this that's reduced down into a syrup, just put a little just a little splash of that in there. It just kind of rounds it out. It gives it a little viscosity as well. And then we need some acid, so a little fresh lime juice, just as if you were making a margarita. So then we're just going to shake this up and pour this over some ice.
John just joined Bobby because he heard you say Reposado and Mezcal.
Yeah. Taking mental notes while I'm watching it.
We have everything in this drink in our house, including the molasses. You can order the molasses online, by the way. It's no big deal, and it lasts forever, and you can use it in a bunch of savory recipes as well.
Yeah, for sure. I use it like in glazes for like chicken or pork or something like that.
A turkey. You did a turkey with a pomegranate glaze one year.
That's right. Pomegranate and mustard. Yeah, so good. And then I put some pomegranate seeds on top as well, and then some orange, like some orange peel, and there it is, the infamous Smoky Pomegranate.
It is gorgeous. Cheers. Get your drink, honey.
Okay.
And here's to John's cocktail as well. Bobby, that is stunning.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to you, my friend.